comes in through the wall, the garage, and then these wires here, and they plug into the back of this. These batteries, these are big old batteries. They weigh 100 pounds each. So they all connect together. And then if the power goes out, I can just use these batteries to power the house. So what I do is I take this plug here and I plug it in to that right there. And that plug plugs right into that little panel right there. So each one of those little switches will run different things. So one of them will run like the well pump, one of them will run the water heater, one of them will run the computers, one of them will run the refrigerator, and so I can flip on which ones I need. And then if those batteries die, well, there's no sun shining for a while, I can use this. This is a generator, just like a motor. And then that will hook up to, I'll put either gas in it, or I can hook it up to these propane tanks. Got a whole bunch of propane tanks here that I can use to power that generator. Or that little generator there too. And if those run out, I run out of all fuel. Sassy! We're gonna put Sassy on a treadmill and make her run to create electricity.